Okay, so I got my piece of 3 by 6 by 12 Tupelo wood, and we're going to make a Mokugyo, a skull-shaped one. So I'll show you how that all works out. Hopefully we'll have to cut, and then we have to design and some stuff like that. Side view of the Mokugyo. The drill hole is going to go through here, and this is where the opening will be. The striking surface should be up here. Side view of the skull. We have a front view of the skull. So I'm going to work on that a little bit. Top view be here. Eyes. This will be the main body, which we'll have to hollow out somehow. The zygomatic arch and the jaw and the nasal stuff. Back side here with the slice across the back so the sound can come through. Then we are going to carve out kind of this area, which I've seen in other ones. Here's the body again. And then these zygomatic arches, these will be the teeth, and this will be carved out, and there'll be this will go all the way through to the front. So kind of a little more resonant chamber, just like a real skull.
Okay, so I'm just going to start off with some commentary on the actual pictures that you see around me here. So this is kind of like the first draft of the whole thing. I went through and carved it with a Dremel, and then, cleaned it up with a knife, and then got in there with a couple other sharp edges. It was really dusty work. This is the final version, as you can see, and here I have the foramen magnum and also the condyles in there. The mastoid process. This is all anatomy stuff because that's one of the other things I do, and we even got the nasal holes in through there. I don't know if you can see, and those were pretty delicate and kind of hard to get into. Somewhat good view on the if you look in the sockets, you can kind of see in there a little bit of some of the foramina and some of the holes for the nerves and the optic nerve and stuff like that. And then also I was able to carve in through the some of the sutures as well, and some other just details that you can see in there. If you look at the top of the skull, you can also see, some of the frontal suture and the sagittal suture, which are a little bit embellished because it's an art piece as well. We're not really going for super detail, but I wanted to make it look like the one that I found online. So there we go, and you can hear it here as I take it and spin around the video, and you can hear me with the striker bell right about now, pretty soon anyway, and you should be able to hear it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.